So what are the stages of flap surgery? When we talk about flap surgery, the first thing that we do is that the primary surgery is carried out. So suppose there is a tumor in this area, they'll resect the tumor. Then the plastic surgeons come in and they harvest the flap. So they separate the flap from the surrounding area from where they have to pick it up. Okay. Then the third thing is that they cut off the blood supply of the flap area. So they clamp the vessels that supply the flap. Now once they clamp the vessels and the flap is created, the flap is free, correct? Then you pick up the flap and you put it over the area that you want to patch off. And then you anastomose the vessels of the flap along with the vessels of the primary area. Now this is one of the most important parts of the surgery because the anastomosis has to be very good. So when do we get ischemia to the flap? When you clamp the vessels during the harvesting the flap, that is the period of primary ischemia. Okay. What is secondary ischemia? If after putting the flap, I see that there is hypoperfusion, hypovolemia, vasospasm of the vessels supplying the flap, then this contributes to secondary ischemia. So I have primary ischemia and secondary ischemia in this case. Now, can I prevent primary ischemia? I can't, but I can reduce the time of primary ischemia by carrying out my surgical steps faster. Can I prevent secondary ischemia? Yes, absolutely. As an anesthetist, I can definitely reduce secondary ischemia.